The revenue of that particular figure that I don't really want to read it made to $1.3 million. Now, A, it says find the error. This particular expression, this statement says that this is the actual value, okay? So this is the actual, and this is made to this. So 1.3 million is, I guess it's close to this number, but it's just a rounded off value or approximation, okay? I'll just call it approx or estimation. I'll just call it estimate, okay? That's what it is. So the error will simply be the approximation minus the actual value, isn't it? Like that. So 1.3 million minus that big massive number, just calculate it, guys. It should be something like this. So that's the error. So that's how much we rounded it, or that's how much we estimated it to be, approximated, or whatever you want to call it. Now B, it says find the percentage error. We always put the error over the actual value. That's the actual value, remember that. So we're going to put that, and we've got the absolute bars, over the actual one times 100, because we want the percentage. Guys, this error is actually positive, so you didn't really necessarily have to put the absolute bars, but just in case. But just remember that, guys, if it's positive, don't really bother putting the absolute bars. And then you multiply it, you should get something like this. That's how much percentage we made the approximation to be. Okay, question 2. A lounge room is a 7.1 meter by 8.9 meter rectangle. A, estimate the floor area by rounding to the nearest meter. Okay, so we want to find the floor area. What I'm going to do is simply do 7 times 9, because we're estimating 7.1 is just close to 7. I'm just going to make it a whole number because I want to make it rough and judgmental by estimating. And 8.9 is just same as 9. We're just going to be estimating, so we just round to the nearest whole number. And then 7 times 9 will simply be 63 meters squared. Makes sense, guys? Now B, find the actual area. The actual area is simply the original area, so we have to do directly 7.1 times 8.9, which becomes 63.19 meters squared. You can see that this is the actual one and this is the estimated one. So in C, we want to find the error. We just need to find the difference. So make sure you subtract the actual one from the estimated value. So we just subtract those two and you should get 0.19 meters squared. Now, in D, I want to find the percentage error. Percentage error, we always have to do the error over the, what is it, guys? It must be the actual. The actual value is this one. Now, guys, this one's positive, isn't it? So I'm not going to bother putting the absolute bars. So I'm just going to have 0.19 on the numerator and my actual value on the denominator, and just multiply it by 100 and you get 0.3%. So it's a very small, 0.3% is very, very small, isn't it? So this estimation is not too bad. It's not too different and not too distinct from the actual value. Okay, guys, so that was it. That was approximation and estimation.